Today I'm reversing a linked list. I think it was really confusing for me to do this. But now I think I understand it, so now I can explain why it's actually pretty easy to understand how to reverse a linked list. We're going to use recursion, and for recursion, we're going to need to have a base case. Base cases are associated with emptiness. So we are working towards null. We want to work towards the head, which the head is going to be different things at different times. But first, let's just say it's going to equal null or head.next is going to equal null. Now why? Because if we get to this one, the last node, then we don't have a pointer to reverse. So what we're doing here is we're reversing the pointer. And if we get to the last node, and if head.next is null, that means there's no pointer to reverse, and so we don't want to do that. So once we do that, once we hit null, we're going to return the head. And so different nodes are going to be considered the head at different times. Now, so we want to find the new head for the reversed linked list, which is going to be 5. So let's find the new head. And to do that, we simply we're going to assign it new head, and we're going to call reverse list, and it's going to be called on head.next. So we're going to basically head.next, 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 up, it's null. Now we're going to go back to 4. And from there, we can start taking this pointer and pointing it the other direction. Wait, no, that's not what we're doing, actually. We are taking this pointer and pointing it towards 4. Okay? And so once we hit null, everything after this will be called after we hit null, and this will be happening for the previous calls in the call stack. So we open a bunch of new tabs. We open a new tab, open a new tab, open a new tab. We hit null. We close a tab, go to the previous tab. So we're going to hit 4. So when we get to 4, we're going to say 4.next or head.next. We want to take 5, and we want to take 5's pointer and point it towards 4. So 5 is head.next, and 5's pointer is .next. And we're going to point it back towards the current head. So when we hit null, we return to 4 in the call stack. And then 4 is the head. So what we're saying here is 4.next, 5, its pointer is going to be pointing now towards 4. So what we do is we go from 4 pointing towards 5 becomes 5 pointing towards 4. And so we take 5's pointer and point it towards 4. And we take 4's pointer, head dot next, and throw it away. We make it null. And we do that for 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2. And from there, we can return the new head. So when you call this node 1 calls 1.next, which is 2. So 1 calls 2, calls 3, calls 4, calls 5. We hit null, we break out of the recursion, and we start going backwards in the call stack. We go to 4. We make 5 point to 4 and 4 point to nothing. We make 4 point to 3 and 3 point to nothing, etc. Yeah, okay.